Welcome back to Calves Farms. Today we are milling some grain for the calves. Okay, so we got the grain shed filled. Hopefully it'll be the last bit for the season. That'll be that. Got custom locks here. That job's done now, and 116 won't be here for much longer. It's being traded off with the with another one, so that should be gone in a couple days. As you can see, our mill is in the top quality condition. Does the job. Had it for a number of years now, so can't complain. This is our main equipment shed. One day I'll do a proper equipment tour in the summer when everything's out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.